Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and click on it. Notice alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. Over here set up an hour and click on OK. Now you need to click on vibrate over here to disable or enable vibrations and click on this little icon next to Google Assistant routine if you wish to add your alarm to your routine. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up, tap on add label over here and label your alarm however you want to. Now click on OK and click on default over here. Then choose dismiss and tap on add new. This way you can pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to set up and going back. I don't have any, so I have to go back, pick one of those, like Helium, and go back. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on this delete icon under Google Assistant. In order to adjust more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!